Hi everyone, I'm Mark Trossel, and I'm here to talk about one of our concepts that we're bringing to the SEMA show this year. This is the Dodge SIXPACK Charger concept. We developed these vehicles for a couple of reasons. It's great for us in Mopar design to create some concepts, some things that we get feedback from our customers on, but also show some potential production parts that we're going to actually be introducing on this vehicle next year as well. So I'll go through some of that with you. Of course, we're starting with our SIXPACK Charger. We've created a new front splitter in carbon fiber. The whole splitter is carbon. It can be used both on the BEV and the ICE version fascias. We have a full carbon inner and outer hood with a ram air that will go into our cold air Mopar component. Some unique graphics that you see on the hood. The color, mind you, is Stryker Purple. Really vibrant color, looks fantastic in the sun. And we have our 21-inch wheel finished in brass monkey accented by an orange Brembo caliper. We also have a carbon fiber mirror cap for it. And one of the things that I think really helps accentuate the lines of the vehicle is this front fender. And it really harkens back to some of the cues from 68, 69 Chargers as well, but done in a very modern way. So we're anxious to get feedback from customers on this too. On the interior, we've worked with cat skin, and we have a cat skin seat set in here finished in this, I affectionately say that it's kind of a peanut butter and jelly color combination. We think it accents itself very well. Moving down the side of the vehicle, you'll see we have a body side graphic. This is something that we will also be offering to our customers in the Mopar catalog. Finishing off the rear of the vehicle, we've actually developed a new spoiler as well. We think it really complements the lines of the vehicle, and it balances the design harmony with the front splitter, and it is also finished in the matte carbon. We're really excited about SEMA this year, and hopefully you've enjoyed the walk around.
The 2026 Dodge Charger comes out swinging with a shape you recognize instantly and a purpose you feel the moment it starts. Mopar's team leaned into that spirit and built the Moparized Dodge SIXPACK Charger concept, a street-ready vision that mixes heritage with modern speed in all the right places. Its Stryker Purple paint sets the tone, while satin carbon fiber accents make the color pop. Lightweight pieces, including the hood, front splitter, and rear deck lid spoiler, are not just for looks. They smooth airflow and add real downforce you can feel at speed. Vented fenders relieve pressure inside the wheel wells to keep the car settled when you turn in hard. Satin black Mopar, strobe-style graphics stretch from the doors to the rear quarters, and a Mopar Performance spring kit drops the ride height by 1 inch to lower the center of gravity. The result is sharper steering response, better corner entry, and more confidence in fast sweepers. Custom 21 by 11-inch brass monkey wheels fill the arches, and orange Brembo brake calipers at both ends stand ready to scrub speed with authority. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo SIXPACK High Output engine delivers 550 horsepower, breathing through a Mopar cold air intake, and a stainless steel dual-cat back exhaust for a deeper, cleaner note. Inside, catskin premium leather seats blend Tuscany ink and Palomino with orange and purple stitching. Mopar pedal covers sharpen control, and all weather mats protect the cabin when life gets messy. This concept shows how the next Charger can look and feel when factory-backed performance meets everyday drivability.